A warm good morning to one and all. Welcome back to our maths class. Last class we discussed a plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. That is first term square minus second term square. Now let us learn some other expansions. What is the first expansion? The first expansion is a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square means 2 times, a plus b 2 times. 2 times, that is a plus b into a plus b. Okay, a plus b into a plus b. We know that 2 square means 2 into 2. A square means a into a. 2 times we are going to multiply 2 times. Okay. A square means a into a. 2 square means 2 into 2. So same way a plus b the whole square means a plus b into a plus b. A plus b into a plus b. Now how to multiply 2 terms? First term square plus outer terms. What is outer? Here a, here b. A into b plus inner term. What is inner term? B into a. B into a plus second term b. Here also b. B into b. B square, which is equal to a square plus AB and BA both are equal, AB, BA both are same. So AB plus AB. AB plus AB plus B square. That is A square plus, what is 1AB plus 1AB? 2AB plus B square. So this is the expansion of A plus B the whole square. What is A plus B the whole square? A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay, how to do? A plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square means a plus b into a plus b. We want to multiply a plus b 2 times. We want to multiply a plus b 2 times. That is a plus b into a plus b. Now normal multiplication. First x plus a into x plus b. We already learned. What is x plus a into x plus b? X square plus a plus b into x plus AB. Same way, first term square, first term from 2 polynomials or binomials. First term A, here also A. First term into first term plus, and what about the middle term? Product of outer term, here A, here B. So A into B plus product of inner terms, B into A plus product of second term, that is b into b, b square. So a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. In other words, we can write sum of 2 terms square. Sum means a plus b. So it is written as sum of 2 terms square is equal to first term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. Okay, first term square plus 2 into first term into second term, that is product of 2 into twice the product of first term and second term, that is 2 into first term into second term, that is 2 into a into b plus second term square. Okay, second term square. This is the method. Sum of 2 terms the whole square is equal to first term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term the whole square. That is sum of 2 terms square. Sum of the 2 terms square, that is a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Very, very, very important. Okay. Same way we can find a minus b the whole square. What is a minus b the whole square? A minus b into a minus b. A minus b into a minus b, that is equal to first term square plus outer term. Product of outer term means a into negative b plus inner terms negative b into a plus second term square. What is second term here? Negative b into negative b. Okay, that is a square plus negative ab plus into minus minus b into a is equal to a into b. Negative into negative positive b into b square. So a square negative 1ab negative 1ab both are same sign, so add negative 1 is negative 2ab plus b square. So what is a minus b the whole square? A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is difference of two terms. A minus b means difference. So we can write a difference of two terms. Difference of two terms. The whole square is equal to first term square minus first term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. Okay, second term square. So difference of two terms is equal to first one sum of two terms is equal to first term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. Then what is a minus b the whole square means? A minus b means difference of two terms is equal to difference of two terms square is equal to first term square here minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term the whole square. Okay, that is a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. These two equations you put it in a bracket, okay, or in a box. Clear? Next is some important formulas. Already we discussed this one. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now what is a plus 1 by a the whole square? We know that sum of the two terms is equal to first term square. See, first term is a square plus 2 into first term into second term. Here second term 1 by a you know, plus second term square, that is 1 by a the whole square. So how to write this one? A square. This numerator and denominator I get cancel, you know. So a square plus 2 plus 1 by a square. That is a square plus 1 by a square plus 2. Okay. See, third one, a plus 1 by a the whole square. Sum of two terms square is equal to, we know that the formula, sum of two terms. That is a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. In the place of a, here also a square plus 2 into first term a, second term 1 by a. So this a and this a get cancelled, you know. For one a is in numerator and another a is in denominator, so it will be cancelled. So only 2 is there. Plus second term the square. 1 by a the whole square is 1 by a square. Now we are arranging this, that is a square plus, now write third term, 1 by a square plus 2. Same way, difference of two terms square, a minus 1 by a the whole square is a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. Okay, same method. You just substitute the values of a and b, otherwise you by heart the formula first term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square, and a minus 1 by a the whole square is first term square minus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. And finally we are arranging, that's why a square plus 1 by a square minus 2. Okay. Now, if suppose 3 terms are there, a plus b plus c, sum of 3 terms, a plus b plus c the whole square, then how to write? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, 2 into product of first 2 terms, that is 2 into product of first terms, 2 into first term into second term, 2ab, then 2 into second term into third term, 2bc, then first term into third term, ac. Okay, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. First two terms, then second term and third term, then third term and first term. Third term and first term. This is the formula, very simple. Okay, a plus b plus c the whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Next, a plus b minus c the whole square is a square plus b square plus c square, because negative c into negative c, positive c, you know, c square. So a square plus b square plus c square, then 2 into product of first 2 terms, that is 2 into ab, then 2 into second and third term. Here one is positive and other is negative, so answer is negative 2, negative 2bc. Okay, negative 2bc. Then third term into first term, negative c, positive a, negative into positive, again negative, so negative 2ca. Okay, according to the question you can change the sign. So a plus b minus c the whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab minus 2bc minus 2ac. Okay, no change in the squares, no sign change here, positive sign. But the first 2 term positive, so answer is positive. When we are taking second and third term, one is positive and other is negative, so answer is negative. And last term and first term also negative. Clear? Next heading, cubes of binomials. We want to find the cube of binomials. First, a plus b. A plus b means it's 2 terms, you know, so it is a binomial. A plus b means 2 terms, so it is a binomial. We want to find the cube of the binomial. Previously we find squares of binomial. A plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square, that means squares of binomials. And now this is cubes of binomials. A plus b the whole cube. A plus b whole cube means how many times a plus b? A plus b into a plus b into a plus b. 3 times you want to multiply a plus b. That means what is a plus b into a plus b? 2 times a plus b the whole square into a plus b. A plus b 2 times means a plus b into a plus b, that is a plus b the whole square. This one, a plus b into a plus b means a plus b 2 times, that is a plus b the whole square. What is the expansion of a plus b the whole square? First term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. A square plus 2ab plus b square plus into a plus b. This a plus b. First write the expansion. We already know what is the expansion of a plus b the whole square, equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square into, again one more a plus b, you know, a plus b the whole cube means a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. 2 times a plus b means a plus b the whole square, and its expansion is a square plus 2ab plus b square into a plus b. Now we can multiply, usual multiplication. A square into a plus again a square into b plus, now second term, 2ab into a again plus 2ab into b. Now plus b square into a plus b square into b. B square into b. Okay, so a square into a cube. Here 2, here 1. 2 plus 1, 3, you know. 2 plus 1, 3. A square into a raised to m into a raised to n, a raised to m plus 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Plus here a square b. Plus here 2 a b into a how many times? Here 1 time, here 1 time, so 2 times, that is 2a square b. Plus here 2 is there, a is there, b 2 times, so b raised to 1, b raised to 1, so b square. Plus again b square a, we can write a, we write first, so ab square plus b square into b, b cube. See, b square a means b square a is same as ab square, ab square, which is equal to a cube plus a square b. This is also 2a square b. Here 1a square b, here 2a square b. A square b, a squared b, like terms, you know. A square b and a square b means like terms. So 2 plus 1, 3a square b plus 2ab square plus ab square. Ab square and ab square like terms. So 3ab square plus b cube. So what is a plus b the whole cube? A plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. First a cube, then b cube. Here cube, you know, so 3a square b. Anyway, always you will get 3 as power. What is the degree here? 2. Here b means 1. So 2 plus 1, 3. Degree 3, you know. Here a means 1, a raised to 1. B is power 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. B cube means here also power 3. So in this expansion always the power is 3. Okay, degree is 3. That is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Clear? Same way we can write a minus b the whole cube. Second one, a minus b the whole cube. No need to write the proof. A minus b the whole cube means a minus b into a minus b into a minus b. That is a minus b the whole square into a minus b. What is a minus b the whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square into a minus b. So the answer, I am not writing the steps, you just look at the text. The steps, you just look at the text. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube. Okay, a minus b the whole cube. Alternative, first positive, then negative, positive, negative, like that. First one positive, a cube. Same numbers but sign is different. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Alternate positive, negative. First one positive, then negative, then positive, then negative. Okay, steps, you just look at the text. No need to write it. Okay, just go through the steps. Same as first step. A plus b the whole cube is a plus b into a plus b into a plus b. That is a plus b into a plus b is a plus b the whole square into a plus b. Now a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now multiplication. Okay, so these are the two identities, cubes of binomials. First one, a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And second one is a minus b the whole cube, which is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay. See, no one is by hearting not by hearting. No one don't know how to do this multiplication of binomials or multiplication of polynomials. I don't know why you are not learning this one. When I am checking your answer sheet, it is nothing is there in this multiplication of polynomials. Try to learn that.